Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're looking at 3 powerful free features in Bitrix24, the Kanban view, progress tracking, and time tracking. First, let's open a task list. Click Tasks and Projects on the left. When you're viewing tasks, look for the view buttons near the top. Click the one that looks like columns. This is the Kanban view. Your tasks will now appear as cards in columns like To Do and In Progress. You can drag and drop a task card to update its status. It's a visual way to see your workflow. Now, for progress tracking, look at the main project page. You'll see a progress bar that calculates completed tasks. This gives you a quick snapshot of the whole project. Finally, let's track time. Open any task. In the task details, you'll see a time tracking section. Click Start when you begin working. The timer will count your time. Click Pause or Stop when you're done. This helps you see how long a task takes. And that's it. Using Kanban, progress bars, and the timer helps you stay organized and efficient. If this helped you manage time better, please like and subscribe. See you next time.